Welcome to ItzRafiq. In today's video, I am going to discuss the important questions from XML chapter. And in your half yearly examination from these chapters, 20 marks is covered. So this chapter is already too small because half part of this chapter is already removed because of COVID. So let's discuss the short questions which may come in your half yearly examination. So the first question, who developed HTML, or may ask like that also, who defined XML? You can write XML was defined or developed by W3C in 1997. And why was XML developed? Because XML have some problems. To overcome the problems, it was developed. You can write like this way. And the language from where XML is derived, that is SGML, Standard Generalized Markup Language. Extension of an XML document, this is a .xml. Name the first element of an XML document, its root. Then who is father of XML? John Bosak. What is element? An XML element is everything from its starting tag to the end tag, including the content. Means suppose we are writing name, then some name, after it name clause, this complete pair of tag is known as element. Name the different part of an element. These are start tag, end tag, and a content. These are the part of an XML element. What is a attribute? Attribute provide additional information to the XML element. What is the use of first line of code? It tells the browser how to deal with that XML document. Then what is white spaces? The empty spaces between two character or word is known as empty space. Name the character used to define new line in XML, that is LF or line feed. Can you place comment in at the top of XML document? No. The first line of XML document should be always the processing instruction, not comment or not any other things. What is well-defined XML document? An XML document which follow all the requirements that an XML document should have is known as well-defined XML document. Name the text editor used to write XML document, it is Notepad. And if asks in which application we can view the XML document, you can write browser. Then for long questions, you can see these questions, the difference between XML element and HTML element. There you can write like XML elements are user defined, HTML is predefined, case sensitive, not case sensitive. These things you can write depending on the mark. If 4 marks, then 4 points, 3 marks, then 3 points, and so on. And what is well-defined XML document? Explain. First you write the definition which I give in previous slide. After that you write the points which is available in your book, page number 97. From there you can write. And after that, what is white space in XML document? That means while we give spaces, multiple spaces in HTML, it keep only one space. But if we give multiple spaces in XML document, it will be remain same. This is the difference between difference of white spaces between XML and HTML. You can see it properly from your book, page number 97 only. Then list the naming rules to define XML element. This one also you can write it from book. It's available in page number 93. Then what is the difference between HTML and XML? Please note here element word is missing. So when the directly question comes like that, difference between HTML and XML, then you can write it from the first page where it's given two differences in data separation and data sharing. Like HTML is mainly used to display or represent the data, and while XML is used to store and carry the data. From HTML we cannot share the data, from XML we can share the data. Like that you can make points and you can write. And why XML is called meta markup language, that is also you can write from the first paragraph. How comment can be inserted in XML document? You see the format of comment in XML document, that is question mark, then 2 days, question mark, exclamatory sign, 2 days, then you write your comment, again 2 days, bracket close. So that way you can define the comment. See from page number 96. So mostly from XML chapter long questions this may come, And after that, application based questions. For that, you see how to draw the XML tree. I have already taught you in previous videos. You can go through that and write XML commands. Means question will be there, which is available in the lab part. See mainly question 1 to 3, and you have to also know how to answer the question by observing the XML code. Means how many elements are there, who is parent, who is root, who is children. These questions you should know. And this one you can see from application based questions. Questions 1 to 3, I think. Question number 4, 5 you can see for that. And find the errors. Sometimes what give in question paper there might be XML codes and you have to find out the error. Sometimes means opening and closing will be in mismatch, that one you can find out. Or sometimes the spelling might be different one, sometimes maybe the processing instruction missing in the code. So you can find out that one and you can write that. So for application based questions, mainly these questions can be from XML. And this much only from XML chapter. From this book or from this chapter, some parts are removed because of COVID pandemic. They are from page number 98 completely not required, like validating XML, XML application parser, child element, attribute declaration, entity. These all are not required for your examination. So thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.